Coquito time! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is a little bit different because we're going to be making some coquito. In honor of the holidays and me being a very strong Puerto Rican, I thought it would only be the perfect thing to do because Christmas is right around the corner. So today we are going to be making some coquito. This is actually my first time making coquito, but I got this recipe from a family that I found here on YouTube, and I was able to almost get every single ingredient that they use, so hopefully this comes out well. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you are going to need is some conchita leche de coco. You can get any type of coconut milk. You need approximately 6 cans of coconut milk though. You're also going to need some Goya cream of coconut. A lot of people have a different brand called Coco Lopez that they really love. You can either use that or use the Goya brand. And then you're also going to need some evaporated milk. I have 2 cans that I'm going to be using for today's recipe. You're also going to need some vanilla extract, which is this. And then you're also going to need, of course, your rum, which is my favorite part. Aside from the main ingredients to make this part of the coquito, you're also going to need cinnamon, and you're gonna need some cloves, and you also might want to include some star anise in your recipe. I couldn't find any when I went to the store, but I'm pretty sure if I had some, this would even taste a lot better. Basically, all you need to do is mix all of the ingredients together. With the star anise, the cloves, and the cinnamon, you're gonna go ahead and make a tea out of those ingredients. Now, like I said, I only had the cloves and the cinnamon, so today I'm only using those 2 ingredients, and I have those on the stove creating a tea right now. And what you want to do is put those ingredients, after you've gotten a really nice brown tea out of the ingredients, you want to go ahead and put those to cool. So I'm going to start off with my coconut milk because this is what I have the most of. And you need a deep pot for this. 2, 3. Ay, Dios. Of course this would happen to me. ¿Cómo esto?
Así mismo.
Aquí. No.
No, tiene que empujarla, o sea, que ahí.
Nothing is working. Ah, fudge! I just did my nails yesterday. I'm stressed. Okay, is that gonna work? Yes, perfect. This is horrible. Do lata de cream of coconut. I don't know if my pot is deep enough. ¡Qué rico! I don't know. Mami, esto es mucho. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit the alcohol in here. We're also gonna need 1/4 cup of vanilla extract. So before I add the alcohol, I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of this in. And I think I need a bigger pot. Mami, ¿tú me puedes buscar un caldero más grande?
No, así mismo ahí. Pon la olla a mitad de la de eso.
And then now we have our tea. Want to make sure, like I said, to have a really nice brown color. My other camera got this clip that I just did, but not the main camera. So we added our tea, we added our vanilla extract, and then it was time to add the rum. Now, if you're anything like me, you don't measure your rum. You just let that thing pour out. But I've already let pour out almost half of the bottle. So I'm gonna calm down now. And we're gonna go ahead and mix this in. I tried a little bit of the Coquito and I felt like it needed some more alcohol, you know, because there's never enough. So, you know, we're just gonna mix this in. And now we try it again. Ahora sí. All right, so typically you can use some old alcohol bottles, like of some rum or anything, but today I'm gonna be using these 2 jars, and we're just gonna go ahead and load this up. They say that the longer it sits, the better it tastes. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight and then have it on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Guys, I have one last tip that I forgot to tell you guys. Inside of your bottles or your jar, go ahead and take a piece of cinnamon stick. Depending on this bottle size, you want to add more or less, but for a jar this size, you can just go ahead and add 1 and let that kind of like marinate in there. I'm gonna do that for both of them, and for my big bottle, I'm gonna include 2. Cheers. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know some parts, you know, we had a little bit of mishaps, but that's okay because the Coquito tastes great. It's the holiday season. We're having such a great time. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow for episode 10.